This presentation discusses artificial intelligence, its definition, different domains, technologies, and business applications. Artificial intelligence is the field of science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. Furthermore, it is defined as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence such as reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and language. The goal of artificial intelligence is to develop computers to simulate functions normally associated with physical and mental capabilities. Robots that can see, hear, talk, feel, and move, and software capable of reasoning, learning, and problem solving. Early success of artificial intelligence is exhibited by the Turing test. In 1950, Alan Turing devised tests to check whether machines could think. The Turing test measures the level of intelligence of the computer through the exchanges between the human and the machine. The machine is believed to have passed the test if the human fails to detect the presence of the machine and believes that another human is at the end of the line. To pass the test, the computer must be mistaken for a human in more than 30% of its 5-minute keyboard conversation. No computer is able to pass this test until Eugene was invented. Eugene Goostman is a live chatting computer or chatbot that posed as a teenager. 30% of the participants believed that they were speaking to a human. A variation of the Turing test is CAPTCHA, or the Completely Automates Public Turing Test, to tell computers and humans apart. It is a challenge-response test used to determine an actual human from a computer posing as one. Websites use this for security and protect their content from spammers. Another early milestone in artificial intelligence is the Checkers program developed by Arthur Samuel in 1952. The program had features which included learning from experience, mechanisms for rote learnings, and generalization. The program was already noted as one of the firsts in evolutionary computing. Other milestones include the General Problem Solver, or GPS, developed in 1957. GPS could solve a variety of problems using the trial-error method. Programs such as ELIZA and Perry are the initial programs that ran natural language processing. ELIZA simulates a human therapist, while Perry mimics a human paranoiac. Lisp, or the Lisp processor, a principal programming language developed in 1960, combines the elements of information processing language and lambda calculus. Another notable development is Shaky, a mobile robot that can perform basic actions such as forward, turn, and push. It can also distinguish surfaces as well as contrast colors. One criticism of the program is its ability to function in a very slow pace. One of the recent developments in the field is Watson, the robot developed by IBM. A supercomputer with nearly 3,000 computer processor brain can perform various tasks simultaneously. It has outperformed its human competitors from the popular game show, Jeopardy! The computer was able to decode and extract the meaning from the complex questions, and dig and search for the correct answers in its database in a short amount of time. IBM has developed a business unit around Watson, harnessing the power of its cognitive computing systems to help across industries. Other notable inventions in artificial intelligence are the introductions of interactive robots. Honda's Asimo robot, an artificially intelligent humanoid robot, is able to walk as fast as a human, delivering trays to customers in restaurant settings. Siri and Google self-driving car. The major domains of artificial intelligence include cognitive science, robotics applications, and natural interface. We'll be discussing each domain further in the next slides. Cognitive science focuses on researching how the human brain works and how humans think and learn. human information processing results to information used as basis in the development of a variety artificial intelligence applications. Application areas in cognitive science are the following. Expert systems are knowledge-based systems that uses knowledge about a specific, complex application area to act as an expert consultant to end users. Fuzzy logic systems use approximation and inferences in reasoning to decipher when data are incomplete and unambiguous. Genetic algorithms uses the Darwinian theory or the natural selection process in randomizing, selecting and other mathematical functions to yield better solutions to problems. Neural networks is based on the model on brain's neuron structure, which can learn and recognize data patterns. Lastly, intelligent agents are knowledge-based software surrogates for a user or process to accomplish tasks for the end user on a regular schedule without requiring your immediate presence. An example of cognitive science technology is NEAL, the never-ending image learner, is released at Carnegie Mellon University to constantly compare relationships between different images. Robotics builds upon the concepts of eye, engineering and physiology. This produces computer-enabled machines that have human-like physical capabilities. This includes visual perception or the power of sight, tactile capabilities or touch, dexterity or the skill in handling or manipulation, locomotion, the ability to move over any terrain, and navigation, the intelligence to find one's way to a destination. Natural interface are systems that allow operation of application through instinctive natural human behaviors and actions. Major thrusts in this area include natural language and speech recognition, being able to talk to computers and robots in human conversational language. Apple's Siri, Google's Google Now and Microsoft's Cortana are smartphone apps that use natural language to answer questions, make recommendations and perform actions. Virtual reality involves using multi-sensory human-computer interfaces that enable human users to experience computer-simulated objects, spaces, activities and worlds as if they actually exist. One example of natural interface is Kinect for Windows. There are unlimited possibilities for its application in business.
Artificial intelligence has many applications across industries. Particularly in the entertainment industry, computers now compose melodies of pop songs. New collaborations with deceased musicians are made possible through technology. Gaming experience is now propelled to new heights through virtual experience. In journalism, many of the news articles are written by automated robots. The Associated Press has recently used technology to generate financial reports without the need of reporters. It has used Wordsmith platform of automated insights to write stories. In customer service, Sai is an automated personal assistant that schedules meetings for you. In tourism, carriers like Lufthansa, Qantas has enticed travelers through virtual journey. Watch the other videos in this playlist to know more about AI technologies.